Grammy, Grammy, wake up! There's a bird. There's a bird right next to you. There's a bird. And whoa, wow.
There's no bird. Oh my gosh, look at all these kids.
Where'd you all come from?
Hi, kids.
Hi, Grammy.
Who's having fun at soccer camp?
Me.
Woo! What's your favorite part? You in the front. What's your favorite part?
There.
Space.
Space is pretty cool.
Soccer. Well, that's good.
That's a good favorite part. Are you guys all drinking lots of water? Yeah?
Glug, glug, glug.
What about you, Cosmo?
Oh, I've been drinking all the time. I'm chugging like glug, 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 glug.
That's good. Drink lots of water so you can play better sports like soccer. Yeah.